Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get transcript from a YouTube video. If you need a transcript of a YouTube video for notes, captions, or content creation, in this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to get a transcript on mobile. So go to YouTube and open the video that you want.
What's up, fellas? In this
Now make sure the video has captions available. Next, look just below the video where the description is and tap on More. Now what you need to do is to scroll down and look for transcript. Now in here, tap on show transcript. And just like that, you'll have the entire transcript. And just like that, you'll have the entire transcript of the video appear on your screen. You can also search for specific transcript. Now, if we don't see the transcript option, the video might not have captions or captions are turned off by the creator. In that case, you can use transcription tools. Now for a bonus tip, in the transcript panel, click the three dots to turn off timestamps for cleaner text if available. And that's how you can get a transcript from a YouTube video quickly and easily. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.